Hi guys and welcome back. Here we have the UMIDIGI A3 Pro and I'm going to put it through its paces with some PUBG, Asphalt 9 and Pro Evolution Soccer. So the graphics have been set to low based on your device, which I fully expected that anyway. Also, while playing PUBG, I'm going to try the Fly Digi Stinger triggers that I used in my last video. A very handy pair of triggers. Let's see if they fit on. Cool, and they fit just nicely. This is a slightly thicker phone than the Pixel, but the triggers have gone on there just right. Sitting in there okay. I'm pretty sure the contacts are touching the glass. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so we're in flight. So with that little bit of extra RAM, I'm hoping it might handle the game a little bit better. Not holding out much hope though. Okay, so we can see the performance issue here. A little bit jittery. It's not as smooth. Okay. Still not seeing the crisp terrain yet. There we go. Come on. Okay, landed. Let's have a look. So, right, let's run. Yeah, it's a big game, isn't it? I mean, yeah, it's going to suffer. But it's running. I want to see how it performs when you're actually in action and shooting. That's the most important thing for me anyway. It's got to be smooth. Whoa, shit. Quick. Oh, you idiot. You idiot. Didn't realise he was there. Let's try again. Dawn hats. Okay, that's better. Okay, some commotion. Nice. Oh, what's happening? There we go. Who's that? There's a couple of people there. Oh, see, it's not. Oh, bloody hell. Knocked again. Right, it's the last time on PUBG. The last time. It's straight in there. Oh, great guns, yes. Bloody hell. I think there's going to be loads of people around here. It's bit jittery. It's not smooth at all, so it's not ideal. It's not an ideal sort of game environment, really. Come on, where's this coming from? Gunshots everywhere, but I don't know where everyone is. Come on. Well, that sounds a bit close. There's someone trying to shoot me. Ah. What was it loading for? Wow, that's very jittery. Nah, that's ridiculous. So much stutter and jittery there. I think the UMIDIGI A3 performed better than the A3 Pro. Right. Unfortunately, that's just the way it is. Let's try Asphalt 9. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there are some drops in frames. It's not super smooth. But this seems to be worse than the A3. But the A3 was better than this. Obviously, you can still play the game, but it's not smooth. Okay, let's jump in for another one. A proper race. And we're off. Little boost there. And you can see now the game is struggling. Well, the phone's struggling to run the game smoothly. Yeah, that is dreadful. Let me I can't really look at let's resume that. I'll check the graphical settings after this. I'm pretty sure it's not on high. I say the visual quality was set to default. We put it down to performance. Let's try it again, so the game will reboot. Okay, so now it's set to performance mode, so optimize to best performance instead of visual quality. Let's see if there's any improvement here. I think there is a slight improvement. In fact, yeah, there is. It is, obviously it's not super smooth, but it is a hell of a lot smoother than it was in default mode. Oh. Yeah, slightly better experience there, but it needs to be in performance mode, so the graphics won't be as stunning as it would be in high definition, but it runs a lot better in performance mode. Let's try a bit of Pro Evolution Soccer. Yeah, let's go for it. Turn the brightness down a little bit. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? What's he doing? Well, something not right there. What the hell is going on there? Well, what the hell is going on? Why are they all running like that? The heads are off. Jesus. Well, it's not very smooth. It just doesn't look right at all. Shoot then. What the hell is going on? Wow, I'm giving up. Absolutely giving up. What the hell is wrong with that? Come on. FIFA's much better, but then I don't know if it's the actual game struggling to run on this smartphone as well. It's not smooth at all. Alright, yeah. Cross it in. No, not enjoying that at all. Let's quit that. So a bit of a disappointing run really on the A3 Pro for gaming. I thought the UMIDIGI A3, if you check that video out, which I'll leave it up in the card above, you can check that one out. I thought gaming performance was a lot better on that than this. This has had a couple of updates recently over the last couple of days, and I thought general performance in terms of using the phone normally, not gaming, has definitely been improved. But it did struggle with gaming today. Not entirely sure why, but it's disappointing. It's not a gaming phone. It's around 70 to 80 quid, something like that. There's nothing pro about it in terms of performance, but it does look nice. So if you don't want a gaming phone, you just want a normal phone, a budget phone, then it'll probably cope pretty well with normal tasks, browsing, bit of internet, bit of video playback and stuff like that, but nothing intense. But that was it, guys. That was the UMIDIGI A3 gaming test. Didn't really perform as I'd like. But any questions, please comment below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.